irritated and panicky. Yeah, Priyanshu wants to say something. Say.
Ma'am, actually, I'm saying very honestly that
Yeah.
in physics and maths classes and all the other classes, actually, we means come there to study. Means there are no interaction between the teachers. Actually, they switch off their video
Mhm.
sometimes and just we are there for study. But in English class, something is different that we get to interact with the teacher and learn something else without means not only studies but also gain experience of how to means interact and be good in life and other things.
See, I don't only teach you how to be good in life. I just want to kind of, make the thing a little kind of, it's always like tempest and everything, it's dull. We just need to go beyond it. Yeah, Subham wants to say something finally. Yes, Subham?
No, ma'am, I don't.
You have nothing to say, Subham? Yes, Subham? Do you have anything to say?
No, ma'am.
Nothing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, Priyanshu, you are going on. Sorry, I interrupted you. I'll come to you, Aditi.
No, ma'am, it's completely different from other classes.
But it is the same. You don't interact. I mean, when I say you, I don't mean you, Priyanshu. I know you do. In your own way, you do. Yeah, Tamanna?
Ma'am, in other classes, ma'am, in English class, as you ask us how we are feeling and how we are going through, but in other classes, the
I don't
teacher.
want a comparison, dear. I didn't want a comparative analysis. I wanted you to interact. Have you interacted, Tamanna, the way you should have? Because I think the first connection and the first bonding, Tamanna, that I struck with the morning section was not even with Aditi, was not with even Shinjini, the girls who were there in GD Birla. I think we know that jolly well. The first bonding I struck was with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
From day one. I just heard your voice and I felt that this girl could kind of, do a lot of things. And you were there always at the beck and call. I would message you, please add. And you were always there to add, and children would be pouring in. So then what happened when the online classes started? Yes, Tamanna? I don't want to know from anybody what happens in the other classes. I know what happens in the other classes. I'm not going into that. This is my class and I will have it the way I want to. So I don't care whether other teachers turn on their video, whether they dance or sing or they entertain, nothing. This is my way of entertaining. So the simple thing was, it was a simple assembly. I said, and Friendship Day, Rose Day, Chocolate Day, whatever day, there's so much of happiness in the air. People are going out, people are actually making an effort, things are, coronavirus cases, they're going down. I thought maybe we could just have a song. One simple, small, little request. And this is the kind of thing that comes. Yeah, Aditi, you wanted to say something for a very long time.
Ma'am, it is pathetic. First of all, I have to say that if we were in school, it would have been so much better. Of course, that is one thing. But ma'am, it is online. And when we are making personal video calls, don't we interact? Ma'am, in the same way, we come here to study, but ma'am, it is not only to study, it is to talk also, ma'am, because besides being what we are, employees, students, or whoever, we are also humans. At some point of time we have to be human and we have to interact. So ma'am, in the past few months I have only got to know some of the people from my class. I don't know, I don't even know half of what
Correct.
who is like what.
Correct. That is the thing. I had to sit down and write. I'll tell you something why I needed those skills and hobbies. We had to send report on each child to principal ma'am. Okay, a report, a detailed report. What was my observation on the child? It was so difficult for me. Trust me. to base the observation on something that I don't even know about.
Ma'am, when I saw all of the messages coming in an official group of the skills and everything, ma'am, I was surprised to know that there are so many people who know so many
Absolutely.
other things.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That is the thing. I didn't know. I didn't know Binita could sing.
Ma'am, I can sing, but no one likes it.
Who said so? Sing something for me then. Let
Ma'am,
that
my
be the
voice
closing word.
My
Sing
voice is
anything.
not that good.
I don't want a Lata Mangeshkar here. I just want normal human beings. Aditi sang completely out of tune. She knows that. I know that. But you know, she sang without any inhibition. That is what I liked. I'm not here to judge you, my dears. We are not here to judge each other. So sing. Just at times, you know, don't become machines. Don't become so much of a kind of a thing, a robo. Yes, Binita. Before we close it for the day, and Friday, I'll go to school and I'll send you the link. Okay? Yeah. Start. Anything, anything. If Shinjini wants, she can join in. Come on. Fast, fast, fast. It's already 9:39.
Ma'am, what should I sing?
Now don't tell me what should I sing. Anything. I might as well ask Priyanshu to sing then.
Yes, ma'am, he can sing.
I know everyone can sing. Music is there inside each one of us. Even Caliban could sing. Caliban knew the difference between the tunes. So Caliban said, remember, this is not the tune. He knew. So sing anything. Shinjini, I need to shake each one of you. I need to literally give a shake. Say something, sing something, dance, jump, whatever. Come on, show some kind of, reaction. Kyolo, done?
Can I?
Please, please.
Who can I sing?
Sing, I said, Ankita Baba, sing.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ओ ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So see you on Friday. Think about what I said today. And please remember, if you just come here to study, you can come, but that won't take you much in life. When you come to a class, when you come for a class, you need to have a kind of a mental preparedness to accept everything and to be ready for everything. That is what this 1 year has taught me. This 1 year has taught me to be ready for everything and anything. You just have no idea what we have gone through. We get a call at 2:20. I just finished my lunch and I just get a call. By 3 o'clock, you have to reach Birla Park. I wasn't even dressed for that. I just had my lunch. I put on the dress and I left. I worked on a Sunday. I went to Garden Reach to teach. I stopped questioning at one point. And I realized, let me enjoy this even. Otherwise, you can't survive. That's the thing. You never know in what situation life is going to throw you in. If you remain so rigid, I can't, I won't, I don't know how far you'll be able to succeed in life. Okay, on that note, now I'll hear one last thing. They'll say goodbye. Acha, before they go, Aditi, just take a screenshot of the people who are here and just send me the attendance later.
Okay, ma'am.
Please don't leave anybody. So it was 30 initially, so that means 29 of them were there. Taken it? Okay. Thank you, children. You can leave.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.